If you're facing the frustration of your Amazon order history not showing up, then don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to fix the issue and get your order history visible again. Now let's get started. Alright, first things first, ensure that your internet connection is stable, since as you all may know that a weak connection might be causing the order history not to show. And then after that, try refreshing the page to see if that resolves the display issue. And next, experiment with different web browsers. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also be helpful. Additionally, make sure your browser is up to date, as outdated versions may not fully support Amazon's feature. Next, if you're using a mobile device, consider checking the order history to the Amazon app, as mobile apps can offer a different experience. And lastly, if the problem persists, then it's time to contact Amazon's customer support for personalized assistance. And that's it. These are the steps you can try to fix the issue of Amazon order history not showing. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.